Daily Current Affairs Question Bank June 2nd, 2020. These current affairs MCQs covered from various newspapers, government sites, and some trending topics. Useful for civil services, preliminary and other competitive exams. If you are not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel so you will get the latest updates and latest study material on time basis. Okay. First question. Consider the following pairs: research stations and their locations. Here are some research stations and their locations, and we have to match them. Which one is matching correctly? First, Bharti, location Arctic. Himadri, Antarctica. INDARC, Indian Ocean. So all these three are not matching correctly. Okay, because so answer is D. Because Himadri is located in Arctic, not Antarctic. INDARC, as its name says, ARC, Arctic. Okay, not Indian Ocean. Bharti in Antarctica. Maitri is also in Antarctica. Okay, so Bharti, Antarctica, not Arctic. Himadri is in Arctic, not Antarctic, and it is in Arctic, not Indian Ocean. So all these are not matching correctly. So correct answer is D. Here it is the detailed explanation of this question. You can read here, and you can also make the notes, short notes or summary like notes from this explanation. Next question. Jyeshtha Ashtami is a festival celebrated in which of the following states? Odisha, Mizoram, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, we are talking about Jyeshtha Ashtami. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has extended his wishes to the Kashmiri Pandit community on the occasion of Jyeshtha Ashtami. Okay, so this festival is associated with Jammu and Kashmir. D is the correct answer. You can read here in detail. Next question. With respect to Kutch of Gujarat, consider the following statements. It is a land of salt desert, grassland and mangroves. Okay. Dhumal is a renowned folk dance performed by the Vatal tribes of Kutch. Dholavira, the second largest Harappan site in India and an UNESCO's World Heritage Site, is located in Kutch. Which is correct, or which one is or two is incorrect? So obviously Kutch is a land of salt desert, grassland and mangroves. So statement first is, it is correct statement. Okay, this one is correct one. Dhumal is a renowned folk dance performed by the Vatal tribes of Kutch. Actually, Dhumal is a dance performed in Jammu and Kashmir by the Vatal tribes. Okay, so second is Incorrect. This is incorrect. Dholavira, the second largest Harappan site in India and also the UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is located in Kutch. It is a correct statement. So, first and third is the correct statement, second is incorrect. Right answer is B, first and third. You can read here. Next question. Anupam Verma committee, which is in news recently, related to which of the following? Anupam Verma committee is associated with which of the following? Reforms in agriculture, tackling non-performing assets, NPA in the bank, assessing the scenario of testing kits of COVID-19 across the country, none of the above. Actually, the Anupam Verma committee is associated. This committee, it is an expert committee formed to frame a policy for monitoring of pesticide residue in fruits and vegetables. Okay? To frame a policy for monitoring of pesticide residues in fruits and vegetables. So D is the correct answer, none of the above. You can read here the detailed explanation. With respect to खराई कैमल, ये क्वेश्चन यूपीएससी में पहले आ चुका है 2015-16 में, और अभी ये फिर से चर्चा में है, तो ये फिर से इससे रिलेटेड आ सकता है. उस टाइम आया था जब ये सिंगल लाइन का क्वेश्चन था कि खराई कैमल कहाँ पाए जाते हैं, किससे एसोसिएटेड है, किस एरिया में है. ओके, थोड़ा अभी डिटेल में पूछ सकते हैं. खराई कैमल, इट इज ए यूनिक ब्रीड ऑफ कैमल फाउंड ओनली इन कच्छ which feeds on mangroves. They have the special ability to survive on both dry land as well as in the saline water. The Kharai camels was recognized as a separate breed in 2015 by the ICAR. Okay, so it is found in Kutch. Kharai camel is found in Kutch. It is a correct statement. They have special ability. Obviously, they can survive both on dry and as well as in saline water. This is also right statement. And this third one is also correct, that they recognized in 2015 by ICAR. So all the three statements are correct. D is the right answer. This one. Next. Consider the following statements with respect to जल जीवन मिशन. जल जीवन मिशन अभी काफ़ी चर्चा में है. ये अलग से एक जल शक्ति मिनिस्ट्री बनाई है जब से जल शक्ति मंत्रालय, उसके बाद से जल जीवन मिशन काफ़ी चर्चा में चल रहा है. सो it aims to provide functional household tap connection FHTC to all rural household by 2024. Extra budgetary resources are made available for JJM and is allocated along with gross budgetary support among states UTs as per the allocation criteria. बिल्कुल ये सही है. It's aimed to provide functional household tap connection to all rural household by 2024. And this statement is also correct. Okay, so both the statement are correct. C is the right answer. Next, consider the following statement with respect to official court languages in India. Official court language in India. The Constitution of India provides that all proceedings in the Supreme Court and in every High Court shall be English language until Parliament by law otherwise provides. The government, second, the governor of a state with the previous consent of the president authorized to use of the Hindi language or any other language used for any official purpose of the state in proceedings in the High Court, provided that decrees, judgments or order passed by such High Court shall be in English. Okay, which of the statement given above is are not correct. Not correct means incorrect. So both these, the statements, both the statement first and second, both are correct. Okay, both statements are correct. So neither one nor two is incorrect. D is the right answer. Read question carefully. It is very important in examination. Consider the following statement with respect to ELISA based antibody test. ELISA based antibody test. It is a blood based test which has high sensitivity and specificity. It is used for confirming COVID-19 infection and it is a form of rapid test. Okay, so स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो इट इज ए ब्लड बेस्ड टेस्ट विच हैज ए हाई सेंसिटिविटी एंड स्पेसिफिसिटी. ये स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है. दिस वन इज करेक्ट, बट इट इज नॉट यूज फॉर, एलिसा इज नॉट यूज फॉर कंफर्मिंग COVID-19. ओके, एलिसा बेस्ड टेस्ट आर ब्लड बेस्ड टेस्ट विच हैव हाई सेंसिटिविटी एंड specificity. Okay, and it is a form of rapid test are not used for confirming COVID-19 infection and are only used for surveillance purpose. Okay, not for rapid test, only for surveillance purpose. So statement second is incorrect. This one is incorrect. First is correct. That's why A is the correct answer. This one is correct answer. Next question. You can read here the explanation of this question. Next, Project Ahana. Project Ahana, sometimes seen in news, is this project is related to work towards an AIDS free generation. This project is associated with acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, AIDS free generation. ओके, ये याद रखना आपको, काफ़ी चर्चा में चल रहा है ये. और इसका है कि जो नाको नेशनल एड्स कंट्रोल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन in partnership with the national program, the project works in 9 states: Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. These 9 states covering 218 districts. Okay, so Project Ahana for AIDS free generation. Next, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू साइक्लोन निसर्ग. ये अभी साइक्लोन वायु आया पहले, फिर अम्फान आ गया, अब नेक्स्ट आ रहा है ये साइक्लोन निसर्ग. साइक्लोन अम्फान की वजह से वेस्ट बंगाल और उड़ीसा कोस्ट पे काफ़ी नुकसान हुआ था. साइक्लोन निसर्ग, इट इज़ हेडेड टुवर्ड्स द कोस्ट लाइन ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल एंड बांग्लादेश. नहीं, ये गलत है. साइक्लोन निसर्ग जो है इट इज़ फॉर अरेबियन सी, फॉर्म्ड इन अरेबियन सी एंड टुवर्ड्स द कोस्ट लाइन ऑफ मुंबई और गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, कर्नाटका, गोवा. ओके, वेस्टर्न साइड, not eastern side. Okay, so this one is incorrect. Cyclone Nisarg, cyclones formed in the Arabian Sea sides are more frequent and stronger than those on the Bay of Bengal side. No, this one is also incorrect. ये भी गलत है, wrong है, because जो बे ऑफ बंगाल से साइक्लोन फॉर्म्ड होते हैं आर मोर फ्रीक्वेंट एंड स्ट्रोंगर देन अरेबियन सी. ओके, बे ऑफ बंगाल से जो साइक्लोन फॉर्म होते हैं दोज आर मोर फ्रीक्वेंट एंड स्ट्रोंगर. So this one is also incorrect. Both the statements are incorrect. D is the right answer. Neither 1 nor 2. You can read here the detailed explanation. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Best wishes for your exams. Thank you.